Congratulations on reaching this important milestone in your life, your graduation day. Before you attend your graduation ceremony, let's walk you through the process. As you arrive, head downstairs to the registration desk. Be sure to have your ID ready. Here, you will register your attendance and collect yours and your guests' tickets. Make sure your guests have their own tickets, as they'll need them to access guest seating on level 4. After registering, students can collect their gowns. Guests can proceed to the reception area located in the library and lecture hall, unless they've pre-booked photography. Speaking of photography, if you've pre-booked, head to the photography area next to gowning. For your convenience, there's a cloakroom available free of charge if you need to store coats or bags. Finally, everyone should gather in the reception area, library and lecture hall, ready to be called to the Great Hall when the ceremony seating opens. Now, let's go through the ceremony itself. Student and guest seating are on different floors. When the Great Hall seating is open, students will be directed to the 3rd floor and guests should proceed to the 4th floor. Remember, guests must have their own tickets to gain entry. Ushers will assist students in finding their allocated seats, so please show your tickets as you enter. Once seated, it's essential to remain in your allocated seat throughout the ceremony to ensure that your name is called when you cross the stage. Then the ceremony begins. At a specific point during the ceremony, a staff member will approach your row. You'll then leave your seat and follow the staff member to prepare for your moment on stage. Leave your belongings on your seat. When your name is called, it's your time to shine. Walk confidently, smile, and don't forget there will be cameras capturing your moment. Extend a hand to the presiding officer presenting your award, and then exit the stage by continuing across. After crossing the stage, our staff will guide you back to your allocated seat. You will be unable to exit the Great Hall until the ceremony has concluded. At the conclusion of the ceremony, please stand in front of your chairs until your row is instructed to follow the procession of academics out. After the ceremony, it's time to celebrate. Return to the lecture hall and library to continue the celebration at our alumni drinks reception. You can exchange your ticket for a complimentary drink and take this opportunity to chat with our esteemed academics and explore the careers stall and merchandise options. You can also take advantage of our free photo printing service, SquareShare, by taking a photo, posting it on Twitter or Instagram, and hashtag ArdenGrad. Before you leave the building, don't forget to return your gowns at the gown drop-off station, located in the lecture hall and library. We hope you have an unforgettable graduation day filled with joy, pride, and celebration. Congratulations once again on your remarkable achievement.